up, people? Yeah, there he is. Blackbook.com here. Me, Sarah Simber, one of our homies, Brett. Say what's up.
What up, Pimpin'?
We're on our way to the Man and Wife show, so we're going to report to you back in NYC. We're about to get this party started. About to light a little something I can't show you on camera. Can't show you on camera, but we're going to be right next time we get back on this motherfucker.
See you in a little bit.
See you guys in a little bit.
Later, Holmes. God bless.
Peace.
We're finally here. Say something.
Are you making a video?
Something.
Stop.
Did you hit traffic? Nope. No, which part?
It's not so easy to say. You got to show me love.
What's up, motherfuckers? Blackbook.com here. This is Justin. We're here with, what's your name? Speak your name. Trisha Lynn. We got Sarah. This guy. Eat his lollipop. He's gonna ask some questions. Here's the set. Yeah. All right, we're gonna get out of here. The show's about to start, so peace out, people. Watch the show.